If you want to set up an email auto-response for Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create an autoresponder in Namecheap cPanel so you can automatically reply to incoming emails without having to respond manually every time. This is especially useful for contact forms, vacation replies, support addresses, or any inbox where you want people to get an instant message back. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for Hosting List. This is where all of your hosting plans and associated tools are managed. Click on Hosting List, then locate the hosting account you want to work with. Next, click Go to cPanel for that hosting account. This will open the cPanel interface, which is where you'll find the email tools and other hosting settings. Inside cPanel, use the search bar at the top and type Autoresponder. This is the fastest way to find the email auto-reply feature without scrolling through every section manually. Once the result appears, click Open under Autoresponders. This will take you to the Autoresponder management page. Now click Add Autoresponder. This is where you'll create your automatic reply message. The first setting you'll see is the interval. You can leave this as the recommended default, or set your own interval in hours depending on how often you want the same sender to receive a reply. After that, enter the email address you want to create the autoresponder for. Make sure you choose the correct inbox because the auto-response will only work for that specific address. Next, enter the from name. This is the name that recipients will see when they get the automated reply. Then type the email subject. Keep it clear and professional because this is the first thing people will see in their inbox. After that, write your autoresponder message in the body field. This is the actual automatic reply that will be sent out, so make sure it sounds helpful, friendly, and matches the purpose of the email address. For example, you can thank the sender for reaching out and let them know when they can expect a response. Once your message is ready, choose when the autoresponder should start. You can set it to begin immediately, or you can choose a custom start date if you want it to activate later. Then choose when the autoresponder should end. You can set a specific end date if it's temporary, or leave it running indefinitely if you want it to stay active all the time. Before finishing, quickly review every field to make sure the email address, subject, and message are all correct. This small step helps you avoid mistakes and ensures your auto-reply is sent exactly the way you want it. When everything looks good, click Create. Namecheap will save the autoresponder, and your automatic email response will now be active. From this point on, anyone who emails that address will receive your preset reply based on the schedule and settings you chose. And that's how you set up email auto-response for Namecheap step by step. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.